I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC so the integration is smooth. Make sure Chrome or Edge is updated because newer builds include lens features. Updating avoids compatibility headaches. Decide which path you'll take. Use Chrome's built-in lens tools or run the Android Google app inside an emulator. Once decided, sign into your Google account and confirm you have permission to install extensions or software. This saves time and prevents interruptions when you move to the first actionable step, installing the extension or emulator now. Now install and configure the tool you chose. If you use Chrome, add the official Google Lens extension from the web store or enable lens-related flags and relaunch the browser. Make sure it has permissions for images and clipboard. If using an emulator, install BlueStacks, launch Play Store, install the Google app, and authorize camera and storage access so Lens can analyze images. Once done, test by right-clicking an image or opening the Google Apps Lens icon to confirm access and adjust privacy or default search behavior. Finish by validating Lens works across common scenarios: text OCR, object recognition, and translations. Try screenshots and photos so you know its limits. If detection is poor, make sure image permissions are enabled and then revoke and regrant them to reset access. If images are blank or Lens won't open, update Chrome or the extension, or reinstall the emulator and Google app. A single key troubleshooting tip: clear the extension cache or emulator data before reinstalling. That resolves most persistent state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.